Hello plant people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Mezi and I make videos on plants and sustainable living. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make your own natural moss ball. So in order to make this moss ball, I foraged some moss the other day, and when you do so, you should do it in moderation. And if you do not have access to any such moss, you can order it online. There are some sellers who sell sphagnum moss online, and you can make your own DIY moss ball using that. So I soaked the moss in water for 2 days, and this is the result. So in order to make this ball, I am using a bamboo stick and this moss and the jute twine. Since I'll be using this moss ball for a smaller pot, I took a smaller bamboo, and also you'll have to measure the height of the pot. So now in order to begin, I'll have to tie the jute twine according to the height of the pot and secure it. Now leave some extra jute twine so that you can use it for the end knot. Now take the moss and press it on the ball. Now it depends on how thick you want the ball to be, and accordingly you can put it. So after you're done pressing, you can slowly pull the twine and roll over it and repeat the process. And keep adding it if you want the bowl to be thicker. After you're done rolling the entire ball, you tie the end knot with the twine that was left in the beginning to secure it. And your DIY moss ball is ready. I'll be using the small spoil for Monstera Peru. I bought that plant somewhere in end of January this year, and I hope this small spoil will give better results. Let's see. I will update you guys with the progress. I am actually active on Instagram, so you guys can check the updates there as well. I'll insert the link in the description box. So that was it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you're new here, consider subscribing to see such contents. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care.